Good day, everyone. This is my thesis presentation entitled Economic Value of Green Mussel Shell when Processed as Raw Materials for Aquaculture Feed. By the way, my name is Gerlyn Madarcos, PH in Fisheries from the College of Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences. For the introduction, green mussel Fernaberidis is one of the commercially important bivalve species and a cheaper source of protein. Green mussel shell left over from a seafood processing or consumption is worthless waste and difficult to eliminate because it takes a long time to decompose. The development of value-added products from this resource will increase its utilization and marketability according to Sorio et al. 2022. Objectives: the study aims to present the economic value of green mussel shell during processing into raw material as aquaculture feed, and to trial green mussel shell as feed ingredients for aquaculture feed by measuring its stability and observing if the fish intake the permeated feeds. Materials and methods. The study was conducted at ATB Processing Laboratory Hatchery Facility at Western Philippines University, Puerto Princesa City campus. This is the map shows the site of ATB Processing Laboratory and Hatchery Facility at Western Philippines University. Collection and processing of green mussel shell and other feed ingredients. Collecting and grinding the green mussel shell here and buying other ingredients in market, which is Puerto Princesa Public Market. The feed formulation of this study in percent: 50% for fish meal, 20% for fish oil, starch 20%. There is no presence of green mussel powder in treatment 1, binder 10% with a total of 100%. In treatment 2, 50% which is constant in fish meal, fish oil degraded by 15%, starch constant at 20%, green mussel with the presence of green mussel powder which is 5%, binder 10% with a total of 100%. In treatment 3, fish meal 50%, fish oil 10%, starch 20%, green mussel shell with the presence of 10%, binder 10% with a total of 100%. For the results, in the market price of green mussel per kilo, in the manual process which I did is 652.5 pesos, in mechanical 1002.50 pesos, and for the international market price 139.1225 pesos, and national market price which is 35 pesos per kilo. The international has a high market value compared to national market. For water stability of produced feed fillets form, the observation time is 1 to 5 hours. In treatment control, in the first hour it sunk, second hour scattered, and 3 to 5 hour it will dissolve. Treatment 1, it was sunk and first 2 to 3 hours. 4 to 5 hours it was scattered. And treatment 2, first hour to third hour it was sunk. For 2 to 5 hours it softened. Acceptability of produced feed fillets. The feed fillets was feed in tilapia, the Oreocumus niloticus. Based on the result, the fish did not take or consume the feed. It may because of the palatability or process of making feed. That's why the fish did not take the produced feed pellets. For the conclusion, the economic value of powdered green mussel shell was when processed manually has lower price than the mechanical processing and when compared to the price of national market and international. The trial using powdered green mussel shell to formulate feed to tilapia indicates there is still need to make additional trial focusing on the current study is ideal for processing the raw materials for aquaculture feed. While as for green mussel shell is a powdered form, ingredient has needed a preliminary study to conduct. Further study in the physical and visual analysis of developed feed using green mussel showed that it is not ideal to become a formulated feed. For the recommendations, the result of the study indicates that the formulated feed using green mussel shell should be processed well in terms of nutrient composition but also analyzed to have a baseline data and the potential as feed ingredients. The production cost and value of formulated feed should be analyzed and studied for the next conduct of research. That's all. Thank you.